Have you ever wondered how to truly diversify your retirement savings? With so many options out there, how do you know which gold IRA provider is the best fit for you? Here at Wire Daily, we take the guesswork out of investing in precious metals. Our in-depth reviews, side-by-side comparison, and expert guides are designed to help you make confident, informed decisions about securing your financial future. To get started, check the description and pinned comment for your free Gold IRA guide, a valuable resource filled with insights to help you navigate your options. Now, let's dive into today's topic and explore the best ways to invest your gold for your retirement.
In today's financial landscape, precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium play a crucial role in diversifying and securing investment portfolios. DBS Coins, a reputable precious metal dealer, offers various investment options, including traditional purchases and self-directed individual retirement account. IRES. Today's we will take in-depth look at DBS Coins. Their offering what makes them a standout in the market. DBS Coins, the well-established dealer specializing in physical gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, with focus on transparency and customer services. They have earned a strong reputation in the industry. Their mission is to help individuals secure their financial future through a tangible asset investment, offering educational resources, secure storage, solution and straightforward buying process. DBS Coins provides a variety of IRS approved precious metal for both direct purchases and IRA investment. Gold, available in bars and coins such as American gold edges, Canadian gold maple leaf, and South African colonial. Silver offered in bars, coins including the American silver angel and Canadian silver maple leaf. Platinum and palladium, rare metal with industrial application, available in coins and bar for investors looking for diversify further. DBS Coins offer multiple investments options to suit different financial goal. Direct purchases. Investor can buy gold, silver, platinum, and palladium through a secure online platform with a real-time pricing. Precious metal IARS, a self-directed IRA option that allow a tax advantage investment in physical metal, providing diversification and security. DBS Coins make the process of setting up a gold IRA simple and straightforward. Open a self-directed IRA. Work with IRS-approved custodians to assure a compliance. Fund the account. Transfer funds from the existing IRA roll over a 401k or new mega contributions. Select approved metal. Choose from IRS-approved gold and silver coins for their bars. Secure storage stored metal in its IRS-approved depository and ensuring safety and compliance. Advantage of choosing DBS Coins. DBS Coins offer several benefits to their investors. Transparent pricing, no hidden fees with clear cost breakdown. Customer support, dedicated assistance throughout the state. Investment, educational resources, guides and market insight to help investors make informed decisions. Secure storage, partnership with reputable disparities that are offer insurance and 24/7 monitoring. DBS Coin simplifies the buying process for investors with 3 easy steps. Browse the inventory, select from the wide range of precious metal, make a purchase, secure checkout with multiple payout options, choose shipping and storage, have metal shipped for storage in IRS approved facilities. DBS Coins offer a flexible payment method including credit, debit card and PayPal for purchases over $500. Check payment required for order existing $25. Bank wire transfer available for transaction over $80,000. Fees vary depending on the type of investment and storage option chosen, including account setup fees, storage fees, and shipping cost. DBS Coin has received a strong customer feedback across various platforms. BBB, a rating of reflecting ethical business practices. Facebook reviews 4.5 out of 5 star with phase of customer services. eBay reputation over 15,000 followers and 100% positive feedback from rating. Though DBS Coins is a legitimate and reputable dealer with a strong online presence, they have constantly positive reviews, secure transaction process, and a commitment of customer satisfaction. Their presence, eBay, and BBB accreditation and secure payment for the furtherance and legitimacy. For investors looking to secure their wealth with tangible assets, DSB Coins offer a trusted platform for purchasing precious metal and setting up a gold IRS. Their transparency, secure storage solution, and customer support make them a strong choice in their precious metal market. To learn more, visit their website, request a free gold IRA kit today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more insight and investing in precious metals.